So let me explain this. Last year I introduced you to what I call the 6 M's of marketing. Some of you might remember this. Whenever you're going to have a marketing campaign, you always start out with a mission. And that means what's the objective that you want to accomplish. Then you go to the market, who are we trying to market to. Then the message, what do we need to say to that market in light of that mission. And then, and only then do we ask the media question. So when I gave you the AskBruceNow.com website that you can ask your questions, an awful lot of the questions that came in were all tactical questions. The number one question was, does direct mail still work? Okay? Or can we use direct mail for our dental practice? Or etc. And so you get a lot of very tactical questions. But the answer to the question is, I don't know. Right? Because it could or it may not. We don't know because you can't answer the media question until you answer the mission, the market, the message question. And we'll come back to this in a moment. Then you go to the moment, which is when are you going to send this out, or how frequently are you going to send this out, and then how much money is it going to take to accomplish your objective. So let's take the dental practice question. Okay, what's the mission? Well, sometimes you send out marketing because of positioning issues. Sometimes you're trying to attract new clients, etc. And so you have to be very clear, what is the mission or objective that you want to accomplish? And frequently, when I talk to small, medium-sized business owners, they don't know what the mission is. Okay? So you got to be clear on what your mission is. And some of you are smiling because you've had conversations with me, right? And then you got to be clear on what the market is. Now, if you're a dental practice, are you trying to get new clients to come away from other dentists? Are you trying to target young families, people with young kids? You're trying to go after people who are in their 60s or 70s. You're going after people who really want to have reconstructive work. You're going after regular dental care. I mean, that market is wide. And when people try to answer the question, I find they frequently haven't answered the market question. And then you go to the message question. What compelling offer do I want to give to that group of people? And only then do you ask the question about media. So let's go back here. Let's say that the mission is you want to attract new clients. Now, one of the things we know about dental practice is it's very hard to get someone who already has a dentist to leave their dentist and go to another dentist. That's a very difficult sell. On the other hand, when somebody moves into a community, and they have to change a lot of things, if they move more than 15 or 20 miles, then they're very open. Okay, so if the mission is to get people who recently moved in, and let's say it's going after young families, and let's say the message, you have to have the compelling offer, you have your new mover package, and then you might say, for that group of people, a direct mail piece might be, but you don't know till you test, right? And then you have to ask the question, moment. When do we send it out? If you send it out right when they arrive, it probably will get lost. So maybe you send it a month later. And if you only send out one piece, it's probably not going to be as effective if you send out 3 or 4 pieces, but you have the money to be able to do that. So to answer the question that many of you are asking, you go back to this, and you go over it over and over again. This principle never changes. But how you might word it will. So right now the economy is in trouble. So you might say, we have a new mover package. In light of all the moving costs that you're encountering right now, and the tightness of the economy, we're giving you a special new mover package, right? And so it'd be the same package you gave last year, it would be the same package you give next year, but the wording of it's going to be radically different because you're trying to affect people in this economy. So if you want to attract more clients, the principle never changes, right? The way you're going to do it never changes, but the words that you might select will change radically.